Hey folks, today I wrote another blog post. I was really looking for a topic today. I wasn't sure what to write about, and then I found out this interesting video about testing your ears. It's quite funny. You can test your ears in a couple of seconds, and you know where you stand. So I did it, and then I decided to write about this. And also, after I wrote this blog post about testing your ears, I also came to this idea about writing about my life, about my dream actually. My dream that I have had for a long time. It's a dream about having a restaurant, and it's a big dream for me because I have had this dream for a long time. I already had one restaurant and I failed. After 6 months I had to close, but I don't give up, and I plan to do it again soon. So I wrote about this experience as well. It was quite painful, but what I found out during writing my blog is this idea that my dream actually directs my life also. So dreaming is good, to have a dream, it means you have a direction, you have something to live for, and you have a kind of a best friend. Your dream is your best friend because your best friend shows you where you need to go, what you need to do in order to be happy in life. So that's what I think is important in life, to be happy, and it can come from your dream as well. This, happiness in purpose. That's all from me today. Check out the blog post, the link is below this video, and I'll be back soon. Ciao, ciao.